Pleasant day to everyone. Me and my team will be demonstrating to you our MSIT616 intranet project. The abstract of our project is our team project will demonstrate an intranet communication and collaboration solution of a fictitious company. The solution will demonstrate chat, voice, and video conferencing within its private networks. The network layout comprises of two local networks, namely main office and branch office. These two offices are connected by a VPN tunnel, which will allow LAN-to-LAN access. In addition, there is also a remote access VPN for mobile users. This will give mobile users the ability to access network resources in main office remotely, anytime and anywhere. Naturally, me and our members are employee of this fictitious company. Unfortunately, for this session, we will not be able to demonstrate voice and video conferencing because of some limitations. The layout of our network infrastructure, as you can see in the presentation, there are two local area networks. One is the main office network, and the second is the office branch network. These two networks are not on the same location. Probably they are far from each other, or probably from another country. So maybe the main office is from the Philippines and the other office maybe somewhere. So it's basically geographically far from each other. Then we have a mobile user, probably a person sitting at home or working at home. This person has the ability to dial in a remote access VPN, which will enable him to connect to the main office network and make his laptop available or accessible from these networks, and be able also to access all the resources within that network that he is connected to. Okay, so to demonstrate our to demonstrate all of this, I will open now the application. Here we have the main office. The application that we're using today, or for this particular demonstration, or for the project for that matter, is Mattermost. Mattermost is basically a open source communication and collaborations software. You can download it and install it. It's up to you. So this machine is currently in the main office. So as you can see, the IP address of the collaboration software or solution is having the same IP address of this workstation. So they are under the 18 subnet of the class B IP address. So of course, since they are on the same network, this workstation can access this server right away. Here in this second workstation, as you can see, the IP address is different from the IP address of the software solution. But since this is the IP address of the office network, but since these two networks are connected via VPN, all the resources here in the main office can be also accessible here in the office network. So that is an intranet to one or more collection of private networks. I will now log into the collaboration software. I'm going to use Noblin here. Okay, as you can see, we have, this is the interface. As you can see, we have here channels for group chat, and we have channels here for individual chats. Then I will go here. I will log in Brussels. The same Brussels as this was already pre-configured earlier. So Brussels and Noblin belongs to the same group, this particular collaboration solution. So their interface are basically identical. Now we'll try to demonstrate how to send a message to a group and to direct message or to a group message. This is a group message. So Noblin here sends a message to the group, and Brussels was able to pick it up. Brussels can also make a direct message to Noblin. Hello. And Noblin will be able to see it here. So in this example, we were able to demonstrate the communication via chat. Now we'll try, as you can see in the previous messages that we already uploaded or attached some documents. So to be able to share or to collaborate with your teammates, you will just have to click this button here and to be able to upload any file that you want to share to the team. For example, we're going to upload maybe document files. I don't have any document files here. Maybe here, this one. I will see attach. Okay, so there. Be able to collaborate with your teammates with the documents that you need to share to them. Right away, it will be available to all teammates. So this particular solution, communication solution, can attach a wide variety of file formats. So we just demonstrated attaching PDF. So we have a Word document here that we attached earlier. We have a video attachment as well, so you can play video directly in the chat. And some MP3 file. Okay, so that is how we're able to send chat messages and collaborate with your team, the files that is basically important to you, to whatever projects that you are in. Now I will also demonstrate the mobile users. Currently, if I go directly to the server, this workstation, I'm working at home, so I'm trying to access that server. It can be accessed directly. Since the collaboration software is not accessible publicly, then there's no way for me to access it publicly. Since the IP address is class B private, it's a non-routable IP address, so it cannot be accessed uh, outside from its network. So I will be doing a VPN connection to the main office. Now I'm connected. Now when I refresh, okay, then I can now able to access the server from my home using a remote access VPN. So as you can see, whatever the team was sending messages to the group chat, I am as well able to receive it. So this is how the communication and collaboration software demonstrates how it being used uh, within the network that we just mentioned earlier. The network from the main office, the network from the office branch, and to a mobile user that is working somewhere in your home or maybe in an internet cafe. So that is how it's being demonstrated. So I hope you understand, and thank you so much.